All right, so if you're looking for a short-term rental or just a weekend getaway, welcome to Mentor-On-The-Lake. So here at Mentor-On-The-Lake, you really don't have to leave the area. You have so many eateries nearby. You have a kayaking place that you can rent kayaks and just drop it in the water and enjoy your day. You've got a beautiful backyard. You can set up cornhole, parks nearby, as well as eateries all over the place. I don't know if you can hear this, but the water here is amazing. You can come down here at night and just enjoy the sound of the waves, or during the day, the park is right down the street. So if you're looking for even a short-term rental, let's say you're in between housing and you just need a place to stay, this home features a queen-size bed, a tandem bed, a pull-out couch, it can sleep up to 6 people, and a full kitchen that you can utilize. So whether you're into boating, biking, or just enjoying nature, stop by and visit our little lake house in Mentor-On-The-Lake.